Oh my god. I so he called me because I need something, but I'm just like too shy to say it. I know this man can afford it, but I'm just like I feel bad. Man, I'm scared to say what I want. Okay, I know what I want, but I'm scared to say it. Ugh. Okay, let's use Google Translate. So I want for my birthday. When you date a boy, he would say, save up your money. When you date a man, he's gonna say, what do you want? What do you want? What do you want? Give me the fucking world. But the thing is, ha, excuse and excuse, bitch. I can't really say directly, so I have to make an excuse. But the thing is, my mom's. Alright, I think this one is good. I already wrote it down. I can't say true words when we call because, like, it's so embarrassing, but it's actually nothing. Be more dominant. No, I don't want to be dominant. That's the thing about me. I'm not feminist, bitch. I'm not feminist. To be honest, anti-feminist. Okay, I clean, I cook, I give a massage to my man. Hi, future husband.